Sir, Ajay sir, I'm really getting doubt whether these audience are very quiet from the beginning. I'm getting doubt whether they are sleeping or not. So are you sure that you are going to follow? Let us see. Okay. I request all of you, I'll give you a simple instruction. Whether you are going to follow or not, you'll prove it. Okay? You have to disprove me. So I request all of you to raise your hands like this. Okay? Is it clear? Anybody wants to stand, you can stand. But see the instruction, it's very clear. When I say 1, 2, 3, go, you have to clap. What did I say? What did I say, sir? When I say 1, 2, 3 and go, you have to clap. Is that clear to everybody? No. Is that clear? The message is clear that when I say 1, 2, 3 and go, you are going to clap it. Is there any doubts for anybody? So all I have understood, sir, please remember, whether they are going to follow from tomorrow, we'll see, okay? So ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Yes. I think 50% of audience are really listening. I'm sure that they are going to implement this from tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you so much. Now, after your patience listening, I'm going to share that, this is not for the experts, the senior most people who already have the car and home. I think 50% of the people who are there who wants to start their, financial journey from today. So for them, I'm going to give these scenarios. Okay, are you all ready? So, yeah. So I'll start with a story of 3 daughters. Madam, how much time is there for me? Yeah, so it's 3:15 now. Yeah, story of 3 daughters. So a father who has a triplets, so he promised that on their 20th birthday, I am going to give you 50,000 every year on your birthday. So you can chill out, party with your friends and do whatever you want. You can go for a short holiday trip like that. So till 65 years, he promised that I am going to give you 50,000 per year. It's not a big amount, right, to give your children. So out of these 3 daughters, just please remember the tenure there. So you can write it down. Sumati, she invested from 20th year onwards. She thought that, okay, Papa is giving that, so let me start investing for 9 years, and after that I'll chill with my friends. Rest of the life I'll just chill with that. So she only invested for 20 to 28 years, till she became 28 years. That is 9 years she has invested. And then Kalamati, she said, she has enjoyed the first 10 years because the gift is so good. She has friends, she has to enjoy. So, but after 8 years, when she turned 28, she thought that, elder sister, she has stopped investing now. So let me start investing. So another 9 years, she started investing from 28 year onwards to 36th year. So, but another lady, that Mandamati, the third sister, she invested from 20th year onwards. She said that no more partying now. I'll just keep on investing till my 65 years. Whatever Papa gives, I'll just put into the investment. And they are all invested in one instrument, that is the Nifty, which gives a average return of 12% average. Okay. So who will get what? Any guesses? How much each person will get? Maximum Madhumati, yes. Second? Sumati. Second, who is the third person? Who is the least who is going to get? Kalamati? Right. We'll see at the end. So, for those people who want to this dream home, is it your dream home? How many of you want this sort of home? Raise your hands. I don't want. You don't want? Okay. So, we'll just give you a simple calculations how it can be made free. As told by Satish sir, this is not a VIP strategy. With a simple SIP, how you can eliminate, how you can get your house for free. For that, as Indira was telling in the morning, fail to plan is like a plan to fail. If you are failing to plan, it's like you are planning to fail. So planning does wonders. Let us see what these wonders happen. Okay. Suppose Gopi wants to buy a home. So he wants to go for a 1 crore loan. Do you know how much at the end of the tenure of 20 years, how much is going to end up paying for that home? He thinks that that flat is for 1 crore. But by the end of 20 years tenure after the loan, how much is going to pay? It is 2.83 crores he is going to pay. It's not a 1 crore house, it has a 2.83 crore house. Okay, he has to pay almost 1.82 crores to pay that amount. Okay, so see that. This is a SIP calculator. You can all check your on the SBI calculator. You can see it's there, SBI calculator. So this is what he is going to just put that, 1 crore for 20 years with a rate of interest of current home loan, it is 8.5. And see this is important. This point is most of us, we ignore it. So if you see, if his annual income is 1.5 lakhs, Gopi is earning 1.5 lakhs, so his annual income will be 18 lakhs. And if he takes the benefit, that ATC benefits we all know, right? So till 1.5 lakhs we can do that. And his current home loan principal is 1 crore. And with the loan tenure of 20% with a interest rate of 8.5. So he can see how much tax he is going to save. Can anybody tell there? What is the tax he can save every year? 60,000, right? 60,000. So that means per month how much he is saving? On the loan which he is going to take, 5,000. Please remember this 5,000. Okay, we will deduct it from something else later. And this is the magic mantra. So magic mantra, what is the magic mantra? You have to simultaneously, along with your, EMI what you are paying, simultaneous to the bank. So what is the EMI he is paying? Just see, the EMI he has to pay every month is 86,782. That is the amount of EMI he has to pay till 20 years to clear his loan, right? So simultaneously what he said, what he thought, after attending this class, he started spending this 15,000 rupees, that is 0.15% in the SIP, which gives a decent return of 15%. Okay, the time period is same 20 years. So he just religiously putting that 15,000 what he is getting from an extra source of income into that. So see the magic, at the end of 20 years, that he is paying anyway, right? So you can see here, by the end of 20 years, the invested amount is only 36 lakhs, but total value what he got is 2.27 crores. That means 2.3 crores he got. So what was the amount he paid there? He has to pay as per the loan. It's 2 crores, right? So 20 lakhs extra was saved just by following this simple strategy. This he can use for creating the interiors of his house. And you got your home loan free, totally free. Your home is totally free for you because you have generated the same amount there and whatever your amount you have paid to the bank. Is it not wonderful? But you apply it, you practice it, this is going to be the same. So next coming to let's unveil the free car. At the Kota Venu, my junior, so he wants to buy a new car. Okay? So his dream car he wants. Let's unveil it. So there is awesome Amir who wants this dream car. This guy has 17 lakhs. His father has gifted him that, grandfather property has come. So he said, I want this dream car. So let me invest fully into that. So what he said, next day he went to the bank. He handed over the suitcase to the banker and he said, give me the car. So he took the car. He started enjoying it. But after 5 years, is there anything left for him? No, it's zero, right? His pockets are empty. His pockets are empty here. So next guy. So this is Ultimate Uday, who also wants a dream car. His dream car is this. But he also got this, 17 lakhs from his property. But he knows about this SIP. So what he does, he invested into the SIP. And at the end of the 5 years, apart from getting the car for free, he also got this 1.78 lakhs extra for his maintenance and all. So, but there is another girl who also wants her dream car, that is Shravani. So she also wants a dream car, but she doesn't have any corpus. There is no grandfather, rich grandfather who gave her the corpus. So what she said, let me work first. So let me earn first, let me create corpus for 5 years, let me postpone my, dream for at least 5 years, then I'll start buying the car. So what she did, so she said that, I don't have any zero money now. So let me earn and also invest and create the corpus. So what she found out was the loan value is 17 lakhs for that. And the interest rate is 9%, tenure is 5%. So the banker said you have to pay 35,289 is your interest every month you have to pay. So for that she started creating the corpus. Do you know how much she has to invest, there is something called systematic withdrawal plan, which we are going to discuss. So you can see the power of systematic withdrawal plan. What she does, what she was advised after this is, so she was every month, she started with 15,000. Is it a big burden for all of us to start with the 15,000? No. I think most of you, each one of us, have the ability to invest this 15,000 into the decent tool, right? So what the glitch is, every year you need to step up 8%. Every year you will get the salary hike of 10% at least, right? So you, from that 8% anyway, you are investing in this. So see that, how the magic wonders. For the first 5 years, she has not taken, she has just started putting that SIP like that. She has created at the end of 5 years, she has almost created the corpus value of 13 lakhs. See, the 13 lakhs. And from then she continued stepping up 8% every year like that till 10 years. So, but what's happening? See the magic? She started withdrawing from that corpus what she is earning here. So she is systematically withdrawing her amount. What is that amount? She has to pay the banker what she said, 35,289, right? So she started doing that. She is paying that 5 years of loan tenure, and at the end, she was left with how much amount? She has cleared her thing from just 15,000. She started with 15,000, comfortable journey, right? Most of us can easily, spare that amount. And at the end of 5 years, she has left with this 8.5 lakhs. So 10% is, I think most of us from today morning, we are learning that 10% is very easy, 15 to 25, all small caps give more than 20%, right? So if you get that instrument, just 2% increase in your rate of interest, return on investment, if the 2% increase, see the magic, how much it has increased to. So 13.5 lakhs is what you are left with. So the third point is buying gold at discount. So this we are going to deal in depth with in the working stations. But how can we buy gold at discount? Gold price is day by day is rising, right? So there are 4 ways of getting the gold. Just this one slide you can see. The physical gold. So what is the difference between all these 4 assets? You can see what is the difference between all these 4 assets. So there is acquisition cost, right? So the market price, you can get only at the market price, the physical gold. The gold ETFs and gold mutual funds, you can get only at the market price. But SGBs, the one which we are going to discuss in depth, that is sovereign gold bonds, at the primary market when the government issues that, so you are going minus 50 rupees discount. And also with the interest rate of 2.5% every year they will pay. But the lock-in period will be 8 years, that you have to remember. So capital appreciation, there won't be any capital appreciation with the physical gold. But with the market price, gold ETF and MF, yes, there is a capital appreciation can happen. And SGB also have the sovereign gold bonds also. And the interest on capital, there is no interest on capital here and also here. But you have only on the interest gain you have to pay the tax. But taxation when sold is 20%. Depreciation is there in the physical gold. But there is a marginal tax rate with the ETFs. But this is exemption. Your tax is exempted on maturity. If you hold till maturity, that is 8 years, there is no tax on the capital. So dear friends, do you know when government has started issuing this sovereign bond? So in the year 2015, they started first tranche of gold, sovereign gold bonds. It became a huge success and the first crop has come, It is in the 2023, the first crop has come. See, it's a big hit. It has given the investors the 128% returns over 8 years. What a huge return, right? So, but do you know, it's just merely a promise. There is no backup gold for these sovereign gold bonds. So it is merely a promise by the government of India, like your rupee note. It's only the value. Otherwise, without that signature of the governor, RBI governor, it's just a paper, right? So the sovereign gold bond, which was listed, if you have taken in 2016, 9th December, at that the issue price was 3,000 rupees. See that with the interest rate 2.5%, this is the bonus you are getting. For sure you are getting. And the annual interest is almost 75 rupees. This is for one gold price, one gold. You can buy only one gold also you can buy. Most people will buy 50 or 100 like that. Okay, so just calculate now. Almost it has given a very good returns of 6,550 with the 2.5% bonus and all. So, but this is, there are key features. See the subscription rate from the 2015 to 16, how it has increased a lot. From 1,300 to almost 11,518 crores have been, people are taking up. So the key features are, it is market-linked financial instrument with sovereign guarantee, and the interest-bearing bonds offering 2.5% annual interest on issue price, and the maturity proceeds are tax-free while interest is taxable. That means you have to hold till maturity to get this benefit, and you can start investing from as low as the price of 1 gram gold. So this is the beauty of this. So now coming to our story of 3 daughters. So the father who promised them to deliver the 50,000 every year. So see that price. The Sumati, she has only invested for the first 9 years, from 20 to 28 years only. So how much she got? Anybody? Just read it loud. 4.89 crores. That means around 5 crores she got. But she invested only for 9 years. And what is Kalamati? She also said that, I'll start from 28th year to 36 years. Again, only period of 9 years. How much she got? 1.98 years. She has spent for short duration only. She has saved for short duration, but she got only 1.98. And the third person who has invested for her lifelong, whatever comes, no more partying, no more enjoying. So how much she got? She didn't even match for what Sumati got, right? She has spent almost 38 years she has invested, but her corpus is not even comparable to the Sumati, where she has invented in the first 9 years. So what is the take-home message from this? You have to start early. Very nice. But if you haven't started early, I was discussing, I overheard some ladies discussing that it's already over, we are already missed that opportunity. So when is the next best time to invest? Yes. Now is the next best time to invest. So with that, dear friends, the importance of early action is very important. And you see the second sister, she has also started invested for 9 years, but she has stopped for short. Late, you have started late, but also you have stopped early. So that means that's why she got very less corpus. But to beat the person who have invested early, you have to invest for long term. So that is the big thing. Okay, start early. That is the key take home message. And thank you for your attention.